first read the fluency passage 2 times to someone at home, or you can whisper read while you follow along with the recording. After you've finished reading the passage, please answer the following questions in complete sentences. The first question is, who is telling the story? A character in the story or someone outside of it? The second question is, how do you know? So what I'm having you do today is consider point of view, which has to do with who is telling the story. Now, when you go to explain how you know if the narrator is a character in the story versus a character outside of the story, what you're going to do is use the pronouns as clues, just like we've done many times before. If the person telling the story is in the story, they're going to use pronouns like I, me, my, mine, we, or maybe even us. So if you can find words like that show up in the text, you might actually be reading a story where someone in the story is actually telling what's going on. Now, if the person telling the story is outside of the story, you're going to be looking for pronouns like he, she, him, her, his, hers, they, them, and their. If you only find those types of pronouns, the person telling the story is actually not in it. That's the difference between third person and first person. So keep this in mind for when you get to the questions after you read the fluency passage.